Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today I'll be learning to find the different issues with the sum function. So sometimes simple function like sum has some issues. We're not able to know what the reason. We'll try to find some few scenarios how to fix those things. So a small data with the item numbers, items and the amount. So actual amount is 1,24,000, but it is showing 90,000 here. We have 33,500 difference. So let's see. We total it actually is 1,24,000, right? And why this is not taking? So if you when you click on this on the amount and do double time, if you click on that, you can see the range is not picking the entire data. So for that, what you can do, you can drag this sign down, or you can change it here to row number 11. We change it, I hit enter. Now this has been solved here. This is one of the scenario. Let's move on to the next scenario. We have a data, the actual amount is 64,400, and we have a difference of 29,800, and the total it's coming to 94,000. So what is the issue? So when you check these amounts, as you can see, or if you don't know what you can do, you can use a is number function. Is number open bracket, is number. What this function does is it will go to check whether this cell is a number or any other or a text. If it is number, that comes as true, and if it is a text, it comes as false. When you drag it down, so these two as becoming the false, then there is issue with these two amounts. So as you can see this amount, we have a 98,000, 9,800, and we have a negative sign on the towards the right. Usually the negative sign should be on the left side. That's the reason the total is not taking correctly now, adding up. What you can do is select this data as these negative sign. These are the credit balance or the negative balance that we need to fix it, right? So select this data, go to data, text to column, under text to column delimit only, say next, again next. Under this you can change it to general format, so general, and finish it. So now you can see automatically the sign which is on the right side has moved to left, and the total has now the entire total is total correctly. If you select this range and see 64,400 is the total, the actual amount is also 64,000, and we don't have any difference here. Okay, and sometimes you come across this, do a text to column, and this will be solved. Okay, next we move to the next scenario. Here you can see the entire total, the range is correct, picking correctly, but it should be 1,24,000, but it is coming as 0. When you total this, select the range, even it comes as count here. Okay, and if you select here, go home, so you can see the format is text here. So everything is in text format. Either you can select all, right click, go to format cells. Under format cells, it is text. Let me change it to journal here. So I changed it to journal, but still the total is not picking. As you can see in the left corner, you can see there's a small green color as an error. You double click on it, so still shows. So what you can do, select this data. The two way of doing it, when you select the data, you can see the small left side button. Go here, click on the drop down. So it says number stored as text, convert to number. So you want to convert to a number, so just click on this. Automatically the total gets changed here, and I'll undo it again. If you don't have an option, if you're not able to do this, there's other option. You can go data, text column, delimit, next, again keep it in general format, click OK. That also solves your problem. Either you can get the drop down, change it to convert to numbers, or you can do the text column here. Okay, we solved this issue also. And sometimes if you extract your data from the other source, you can have something like this, the special characters like at, that is causing the issue here. So how we can rectify this? If it's a similar character that is repeating in most of the rows, select the column, select the data range from where to where, and do Control F. Okay, under Control F, okay, click on replace. This is the special characters at. I'm going to find that at and replace with blank. So I don't want to add anything else. I just want to remove that. Click replace all. So 3 replaces. Now we can see data has been total has picked correctly 1,24,000 and we don't have any variance here. These are the few scenarios where we find a issue with the sum function. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other function so that I can create a video in future.